Welcome back to this channel. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I will be playing Flood Escape. Me and my brother used to play it when I was young. And it's a classic, so I wanted to play it. Anyway, let's get into it. Also, if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. You can do it if you want to. Let me just turn off. Okay. Okay. And let's play Flood Escape together. I can't move. Okay. Jump. Oh, hi. Let's go together. Me and this Bakerim will be best friends. Oh, come on, Xena. Xena. I don't know. Xena. I'll just call you Xena. Anyway, you spin my head right round, right round. I'm gonna stop because I don't want copyright. Jump, jump. Owie! I hit my head on the floor. Jump, jump, jump. You hit the button. Jump! Go. Go here. Come on, Bacon. You can do this. I believe in you. Yay! Vegeto. Oh, I don't know how to do this. There's a button over there. I died. How's she such a pro? Wait, what do I have to do to unlock this? I said anyway. I want to do easy. Please let me in easy. Oh, there's so many people there. Please let me in. Let me in. I'm a YouTuber. Yay. I know probably none of you know me on YouTube, but I don't care. I just want to play for fun. Oh, wait, that transition was pretty good. I did that on accident, actually. Oh. No, he died. He died. Oh, how do I get there, though? I'm stuck. No, I died. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Okay, stop flexing on me with your trophy. Oh, hard. Let me in. Yay. Let's go spin together. Woo, girls spinning together. Oh, okay, I pressed that. I pressed that. Weaving. Oh, this one. I don't know if I can do it. Okay. There's a button in here. Press that. Climb out. Jump. Go over here. Oh, it's opened. Hey. Okay. Where do I... No! I died. Oh, I think Rose wants to be my friend since we died together. Oh, I think she does want to be my friend. Come on, Nat and Rose. We can do this together. Wait, I'm a friend. Nat and Rose. See if they accept it. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Weaving! We did this already. I died. Jump and jump And jump. Okay. You press that. Come on, Rose. We can do this. Get in, guys. Get in. Yay! We did it. Okay. You press that. I'm gonna go here because I don't want to go drown. Come on, Nat. Come on, Nat. Yes. We can do this. Girl power. Jump. You go there. Okay. Oh, we're escaping now. Okay. I see. Oh. No. I think I'm gonna lose. I think I'm gonna die. Guys, thank you. Oh, phew. Oh, the last level. And then we have to do the codes. Okay. You press that. Oh! And in fact, that activated this. No, Nat, you're gonna die. Nat, oh, phew. And then that should open it. Jump. Go over here. I hope we can escape because I want to win. Jump, and jump. No, Nat, you can do this. Yes. Okay. Find the code to escape. Oh, this is really. Oh, guys, come on. Yay! We did it! Yay! We did it. Okay, wait. Oh, you want to go there again? Your wins save automatically whenever they change. Yay! Besties forever! Woo! La luli. Come on, Rose. We can do this. Jump. Okay. Jump. No, I'm gonna die. I lost. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna end this off with Rose. Anyways, I'm gonna end it off with this guy. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you have a good day/night. And since I brought you to the end of this video, thank you for coming and watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. You can do it if you want to. Anyways, bye guys.